just revise the previous class. In a previous class, we learned about types of sets. So, first type, null sets are empty sets. Second one, singleton set. Third one, finite set. Fourth one, infinite set. In between we learn the cardinal number of sets. And fifth one, equivalent sets. And sixth one, equal set. And seventh one, subset. And eighth one, proper subset. And final one, power set. What's the definition of null set? It contains no elements. That is called the null set or empty set. It is denoted by curly bracket or empty set. And singleton set means it contains exactly one element. Exactly one element is called the singleton set. And finite set means it contains finite number of elements. It's called the finite set. Infinite set means it's not a finite set. It's not a finite set. Is called the infinite number of sets. And then equivalent set. Equivalent set means so number of elements of a set A and B are equal. Number of elements of a set A and B are equal. N of A is equal to N of B. That is called the equivalent set. And equal set means exactly same elements. Exactly same elements. Same elements on both sets. Both sets is called the equal set. Equivalent set denoted like this. This symbol is denoted by equivalent. A is equivalent to B. Okay. And equal set is exactly same elements on a both set is called the equal set. And then subset. Every element of A has to be in B. Is called the subsets. It is denoted by A subset of B. Every element of A is also be in every element of B. Okay, and always n of A is less than or equal to n of B. And next one, proper subset. If A and B are two sets, A is not equal to B, then every element of A in B is called, A is called the proper subset. Proper subset. And final one is power set. Power set means the set of all, the subset of a set. Subset of a set is called the set of all the subset of a set is called the power set. It is denoted by P of A. P of A. Okay. And here one of that cardinality of set or cardinal number of set. So cardinal number of set means number of elements in a set. Number of elements in a set is called the cardinality of set. It is denoted by N of A. Okay. So cardinal number of a set A. Okay, it is denoted by N of A. I hope you are understanding the previous class. And important the first one, if N of A is equal to M, then n of p of a. N of, how do you read this? N of p of a is equal to 2 power n. 2 power m. And second one, the number of proper subsets. Proper subset of A is n of p of A minus 1. That is two power m minus 1. Okay, these two properties are very important. This first property we have used to find out the number of subsets. The first property we have used in the find the number of subset. Number of subsets. Okay. So, if you find out the number of subset for any one of the sets, so n of a is equal to, first find out the n of a value, right. So, n of a is equal to, consider the m, then using this formula 2 power m, 2 power m. And next one, find the number of proper subset, find the number of proper subset. That's in this place we have used this property. Okay, in this place we have used this property, n of p of a minus 1, that is 2 power m minus 1. Okay, let us see the example problem related to this important property. Okay. Example 1.8. Find the number of subset and the number of proper subset of a set S. X is given. Okay, given. Put solution. The set X is equal to, capital X is given. Capital X is equal to A, B, C, X, Y and Z. Okay. So, here find out the number of subset and number of proper subsets. So, first you want to find out the n of x, cardinal number of set. So, cardinal of number set, n of x is equal to, how many elements in x set x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, n of x is 6. Okay. And next, find the subsets. Find the number of subsets of a set x is, what is the formula? N of p of a is equal to 2 power n of a. Here a is set. So, here set is considered to x. So, in this place write, that is n of p of x is equal to 2 power n of x. Okay. So, now substitute the value of n of x in this place. So, what we get? 2 power n of x value is 6. So, what is the meaning of 2 power 6? 2 multiplied itself as 6 times. Okay. So, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the, so 4. So, 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. So, number of a subset of a set is 64. And next one, the number of proper subset. The number of proper subsets. What is the formula? 2 power n of x minus 1. So just already I find out the value of 2 power n of x. What is the value of 2 power n of x? That is this subset of number of subsets. So number of subset value was 64. 64 minus 1. 64 minus 1 is 63. That's all. Okay. I hope you all understand. Now move to the exercise 8th problem. Okay. Eighth problem. Sorry, exercise 1.2 8th problem. Find the number of subset and the number of proper subset of the following set. The first one, 8th first subdivision. W is equal to red, blue, yellow. Okay, so first of all find out the cardinal number of the set. So cardinal number of set means n of w. N of w is equal to how many elements inside of the set? 3 elements. So n of w is 3. And next to find out the number of subsets. The number of subsets. What is the formula? N of P of A is equal to 2 power n. Here the set be W. So in this place replace the set be W. Okay. And next, two power, what is the value of m? So m means this place, right? N of w is equal to m. Okay. So 2 power m value is 3. 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 2 multiplicated itself 3 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And next, the number of proper subset of W, proper subset of W, that is n of P of W minus 1. So n of P of W means 2 power m minus 1. Already found the value of 2 power m. 2 power m value is 8. So 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So the number of proper subset of W is 7. Okay. And next one of the subdivision 2. Set builder form is given. X is equal to a set of all the elements x squared such that x belongs to n. N means natural number. Comma, x squared is less than equal to 100. That is a condition. Okay. So already known well, the natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, etc. endlessly going that side. Okay. So first of all write the number of elements in a set. So cardinal number of a set Ax is equal to, first to find out the value of x. So x squared is equal to 100. Hundred, how can you write in powers of 2? Twice a times, is it? 10 power 2. So 10 into 10, 100. 10 multiplied by 10, 10 tens are 100. Here the base are same, equating the base value, is it? The powers are same, okay, powers are same, equating the base value. So x value is 10. Okay, x value is 10. So set x is equal to 10. So number of elements in a set is n of x is equal to 10. N of x is equal to 10. And next, as usual, the number of subset of a set x is n of p of a equal to 2 power m. 2 power m means 2 power 10. 2 power 10. N of x is equal to m. 2 power m. 2 power 10 value is 2 multiplied itself in 10 times. How many times? 10 times multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times multiplied itself by 2. Okay. So multiply. Two twos are 4. 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. So how many times are 4? 4, 4, 4, 5 times. After multiply these two values. So 4 fours are 16, 16, 4 fours are 16 into 4. 16 16s are 256. You didn't know the value of 16 16, sir. You will calculate in a rough work area 16 into 16. Okay. Afterwards, you will write in this place 256 and 4. After you will multiply these two values, what we get? 1024. 1024 is the value of the number of subset of a set x. Number of subset of a set x. And next one, the number of proper subset. The number of proper subsets of x is equal to n of p of x minus 1. So n of p of x value is already found, that value 1024 minus 1. So subtract 1023 is the answer for the number of proper subset of a set x. That's it. Okay. And next, 9th problem. First one, if n of a is equal to 4, number of elements is given. Find n of p of a. N of p of a. First subdivision. Given n of a is equal to 4. To find n of p of a, that's mean the number of subsets. Find the number of subsets. What is the formula for number of subsets? The number of subsets n of p of a is equal to 2 power m. So 2 power m means here m value is 4. So 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 means 2 multiplied itself in 4 times. In 4 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Okay, that's all. First one, find out n of p of a. And second of subdivision, if n of a is equal to 0 is given, to find n of p of a. So number of elements in this place is 0. Number of elements in set A is 0. So solution, n of p of a is equal to 2 power m. Since n of a is equal to m. So n of a is equal to 0. So 2 power 0. Anything power 0? 1. Anything power 0? 1. And third subdivision, given n of p of a is given. In previous two problems, so n of a value is given, you have find out the n of p of value. Here n of p of a value is given, find the n of a value. Okay, so 256 is given. Find n of a. Okay, so n of p of a is equal to 256. It can written as 2 power m. So how can you write in the power of 256? It's multiplied 8 times, is it? The previous one explained in the which problem? Exercise 8, second problem. Second problem explained, is it? 2 power 10. Okay, so 2 power 8 we get the value of 256. Okay, 2 power 8 value is 256. If you need in this place, you will multiply 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 4 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 16s are 256. So how many times 2 multiplied? 8 times. So 2 power 8. Base are same, equating the powers. So m is equal to 8. M is equal to 8 means n of a is equal to the number of elements. The number of elements is 8. Okay. Hence proved. Okay. Therefore, the number of elements is n of a is equal to 8. That's it. You know that mathematical operations. What are the mathematical operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are all the mathematical operations. Okay. Here We learn about the set operations. Set first one, universal set. Universal set. And second one, complement. Complementary set. Complement of set. Okay. Complement of set. Second one, complement of set. Third one, union of sets. Union of two sets. Fourth one, intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Fifth one, difference of two sets. Sixth one, symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of sets. And final one, disjoint sets. Okay. So first see the, so how many types of set operations? Universal set, complement of sets, union of sets, intersection of two sets, and difference of two sets, and symmetric difference of set, and final one is disjoint set. Okay. So first we learn the first one, universal set. Universal set. Universal set is a set which contains all the elements. Which contains all the elements of a set under the which contains all the elements of a sets under consideration. Consideration is called the universal set. It is denoted by U. It is denoted by U. So universal set means it is a set which contains all the elements of a set under the consideration. It is called the universal set. It is denoted by U. It is denoted by U. For example, let us consider the set Bx is equal to x such that x is belongs to n. That's meaning all the natural numbers. The x values belongs to all the natural numbers. So a natural number is a universal set of all the elements. Universal set of all the elements. That is the example. Okay. Another one of the example, if A is equal to Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Then the universal set U is, so U is a planet. Planets of solar system. Solar system. Okay. So here x is a, every element of a set x is a in a element of a natural numbers. Here the set A considered to the Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Then U is a planets. U means universal set. இது எல்லாமே எதில் உள்ளதுமா சோலார் சிஸ்டமில் உள்ள பிளானட்ஸ். ஸோ யூனிவர்சல் செட் இஸ் அ சோலார் சிஸ்டம். Okay, I hope you all understand the concept of universal set. The next one, complement of sets. Second one, complement of a set. Complement of set is a set. Set is set is the set of all the elements of U that are not in A. So A is a set. A is a set. So complement of a set A is a set. A set is a set of all the elements of U. Universal set la ulla ella elements me irukano, but எது தவிர that are not in the set A. ஏங்கிற செட்டில் என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஓகேவா? So what is the definition? The complement of a set A is the set of all the elements of U that are not in the A. A ல என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, இந்த elements இருக்கக்கூடாது. So see the Venn diagram. Venn diagram 4. Sets. Okay. So universal set rectangular box. So universal set, how did draw in a Venn diagram? Draw like this. Draw the rectangular shape is considered to the universal set. Okay. Here Venn diagram for the complement of a set. First draw the universal set U, universal set U, and then set of all the elements in a set A. This is considered to A. So what is the definition of complementary set? A complementary set is a set. A set is the set of all the elements of U. Universal set la ulla elements mattum dhaan irukano, that are not in A. That are not in A. So A la irukakudadu. So remaining part, the shaded portion, is called the A dash. A dash or A complement. It is denoted by, it is denoted by A dash or A complement. A complement. Okay, I hope you all understand. For example, example 1.9. If u is equal to given u is equal to the universal set contains the elements C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and A. The set A contains the elements C, D, G, J. Find the A dash. Find the A dash. So how do you find out A dash? A dash means a set of all the elements in a set in universal set that are not in the A. So U minus means difference of universal set difference of A. So what is the values? What are the elements in a set is universal set? U, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J minus A, C, D, G, J. Okay. So which are the elements are common? Cancel it. C will be cancelled, D cancelled, G will be cancelled, J is also cancelled. So what are the remaining elements in a set U? Universal sets. Universal sets. E, F, H, I. These are the elements in a set U, universal set. So A dash value is E, F, H, I. Okay, next one of the set operation is union of two sets. Union of two sets. So union of two sets means the union of two sets be A and B. Okay. So then a set of all the elements which are either A or B, which are either in A or B. So union of two sets means A and B be the two union of sets, then which are the elements are either in A or B, then it is called the union of sets. Set of all the elements, which are set of all the elements. Elements which are either in A or B. Okay. So it is denoted by A union B. It is denoted by A union B. Set of all X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. X belongs to B. X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Now see the Venn diagram for the union of two sets. Union of two sets. First draw the universal set U and next draw the two sets A and B. These two sets should be overlapping. Okay, then you can find out the union of two sets values. Okay, so A union B. How do you draw? Join all the elements in a set A and B. So shaded these two portions. That is called the A union B. Example, (1.10). So first one, if A is equal to 1, 2, 6, given A is equal to 1, 2, 6 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4, find A union B. How do you read this? A union B. A union B is equal to set of all the elements in a set A, 1, 2, 6, union, set of all the elements 2, 3, 4 in B. Now join all the elements. So 1. Already you know that set theory having not a repetition, is it? Not having a repetition. So repetition is not allowed in set theory. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So A union B has elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. That's all. And next, fourth one of the concepts, intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. The intersection of two set B, A and B, then the set of all elements common to both A and B. Common to both set A and B. It is called intersection of two set. So intersection of two set means let A and B be the two intersection of set, then the set of all the elements common to both A and B. Okay, it is denoted by A intersection B. The symbol is denoted by intersection. Okay, so A intersection B is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So ரெண்டுலயுமே எப்படி இருக்குமா காமனா இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? Now see the Venn diagram for the intersection of two sets. First we draw the universal set. Next we draw the set A and B. Common. So set of all the elements common to the both set. ரெண்டு செட்டும் காமனா உள்ள place எதுல இருந்து? Center portion. Is it? So this is called the A intersection B. It's called the A intersection B. See the example. (1.11) if P is equal to example 1.111, P is equal to M comma N and Q is equal to M comma I comma J. Represent P and Q are Venn diagram and find the P union Q. P union Q. So union means join all the elements in a set A and B. So you can easy to find out, is it? Given. So P union Q is equal to, what are the elements in a set P? M, N, I, J. So P union Q is equal to MNIJ. It is drawn by Venn diagram. Now P union Q is, first draw the universal set. Here universal set is not given, no problem, you will write, draw, you will draw, and then put the two sets A and B, P and Q. P and Q. What are the elements in a set P? First of all, write in the which are the elements are common in a set A, P and Q. Okay. So which are the elements are common in a both set? M. So write in the center. Okay. M is common for the both set. Okay. So write in this place. Afterwards you will write the remaining elements in a set P. What is remaining? P, N. Write in this place. Okay. And Q, what are the elements remains? I and J. That is a Venn diagram for the P union Q. Next one of the example. (1.12). Solution. What is given? A is equal to set of all x such that x is an even natural numbers and 1 is less than equal to x less than equal to 12. Okay. So first of all, listing all the elements in a set A. So what is the condition is given? Natural number, even natural numbers. So first write the even natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? Even natural. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, less than equal to is given. So you should add a 12 also. Less than only given, stop with 10. Okay. So A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then B, set of all x such that x is a multiple of 3. X is a natural number. So what are the multiples? Here also given the condition x is less than equal to 12. Less than equal to 12. So 12 ku keela included 12 also. So what are the multiple of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, these are the multiple of 3. So what we find out here? Find A intersection B. Find A intersection B. So intersection B means common in a both sets. Okay. So A intersection B is equal to, which are the elements are common? 3 is not there. So 6 is common and 12 is also common. So which are the elements are common? 6 and 12 is a common elements. That is A intersection B. And then example. If A is equal to 2, 3 and C is equal to, null set is given. Find A intersection C. So directly write solution. Given A is equal to 2, 3 and C is a null set, to find A intersection C. So A intersection C means write the common from the both set. Which are the elements common in both sets? So nothing common in the both sets. A and C has no common elements. So answer is null sets. Okay. I hope you are understand the example problems. Now move to the next one of the operation. Difference of Fifth one. Difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. How do you write into difference of sets? So difference of sets A and B is a set of all the elements which contains in A, set of all elements which are in A but not in B. It is denoted by A minus B. A minus B means, how do you read this? A difference B or A difference of B. Let's read us. It can in symbols. A minus B is equal to set of all x such that x is belongs to A and x is does not belongs to B. So B minus A, x such that x is belongs to B and x is does not belongs to A. Okay. So difference of two sets means A and B be the two sets and set of all the elements which are in a set A but not in a B. A la mattum irukano, B la irukka kudadu. So it is denoted by the symbol as A difference B or A difference of B, and in simple A minus B is equal to A difference B, B difference A, set of all x such that x is belongs to A and x is does not belongs to B, and B is difference A, set of all x such that x belongs to B and x is does not belongs to A. Okay, now see the Venn diagram. Set difference. First draw the universal set. Draw the two sets A and B. So first one A minus B, that is A difference B. A la mattum da irukano. So idu B ngumbodhu idu consider ayirum. Appo A mattum ngumbodhu enadhu not in B, A only. So this part is called A minus B. And next one A, B, B minus A. So presented in B only. Every element in B only, not in A. So it is called B minus A. It is a universal set. Okay, I hope you all understand the Venn diagram for the difference of two sets. See the example. Given if A is equal to minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4 and B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 4. Find A minus B and B minus A. Find A minus B and B minus A. Okay. Solution. So A minus B means every element in A only, not in B. So write minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4, minus 0, 1, 2, 4. The difference. Which are the elements in common? No, 4. What are the remaining elements in A? Only consider the elements in a set A only, not consider the elements in a set B. Okay, so what are the remaining elements in a set A? Minus 3, minus 2, 1. That's it. And B minus A. So first write all the elements in a set B. 0, 1, 2, 4. Difference. Minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4. So which are the elements common? 4. Cancel it. Remaining elements in a set B only consider. So omit all the elements in a set B A. So what are remain? 0, 1, 2. Symmetric difference of a set. Symmetric difference of a set. Symmetric difference of a set. Symmetric difference of a set means join all the difference of a set A minus B and B minus A. Okay. So, symmetric difference denoted by A, symmetric difference of B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. Okay. That is a form of a symmetric difference of a two sets. Okay. Now, see the example 1 point. Venn diagram. Now see the Venn diagram for the symmetric difference of a set. Venn diagram. Venn diagram for the symmetric difference of a set. First draw the universal set. Inside draw the two sets A and B. First draw A minus B. A minus B, the elements presented only in a set A. Okay. And B minus A means element presented only in a set B. This portion is denoted B minus A. This portion denoted by A minus B. So join all the elements, we get the symmetric value. So A symmetric B is equal to A minus B union. Ready? Join பண்ணிருக்கோம். Okay வா? Union B minus A. Example 1.15. Given A is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. B is equal to, so to fold the elements 8, 10, 12. Find the symmetric of A symmetric B. To find. So, first find out the A minus B. A minus B. A difference B means the set of all the elements in a set A 6, 7, 8, 9. And next set of all the elements in a set B 8, 10, 12. So, which are the elements common? 8. So, only consider the elements in a set A. So, what are the remains? 6, 7, 9. Okay. And next one B minus A. So, B contains the elements 8, 10, 12. Difference, the element A has 6, 7, 8, 9. So, common elements will be cancelled. So, remaining elements in a set B is 10, 12. 10, 12. So symmetric formula, A symmetric B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. So A minus B value is set of all the elements 6, 7, 9. Union B minus B difference A is 10 and 12. Now join all the elements in a set A minus B and B minus A. So 6, 7, 9, 10, 12. I hope you all understand the today concepts. Thank you, students.